So here we are. Our next is the baby powder. Look at the sugar is on there. The salt, the flour. Okay, the sugar, we're done in sugar. Later we're gonna checking on it after 30 minutes or after an hour. What might be the appearance? What might be the result? So that we could have a conclusion of this experiment. So just stay on there, sugar. Now we're here in the baby powder. So I have a 70 ml of water in here and then 20 grams of baby powder. So let's proceed to the step one, will be the observation. So let's observe. Does baby powder dissolves in water? I think it doesn't dissolve because every time when I was putting a powder on my face and then also in my neck, and then after maybe after an hour I check on my neck and there is a white house. So I think baby powder doesn't dissolve in water, because if it dissolve in water, of course it's gonna gone on my neck, but there's still a white house. It's just only my prediction. I don't know if it's true. I don't know if it's dissolved, but I'm I'm doing a production only. So let's see of this, if I'm gonna add this one into the water. Let's see the result, if I'm correct of my hypothesis or no. So this one here. So I told you baby powder doesn't dissolve. So look at the appearance. The appearance of a baby powder is it's a powder, right? By its name, it's a powder, baby powder. And the texture, look at the texture. It's a dry powder. This one, the dry powder. So if the appearance look like a powdery, so it doesn't dissolve in water. If the texture is a dry texture, it doesn't dissolve in water. So what happens to the baby powder when added into the water? So if the baby powder doesn't dissolve into the water, so it means the baby powder will not disappear, right? All right. I don't know if it's true. Okay, it's just only my prediction. Next is, how many faces I should see after mixing. Of course, if the baby powder doesn't dissolve, okay, so it means that I would see two faces, right? Then what might be the color after mixing? Hmm, what do you think? If this baby powder doesn't dissolve in water, so the color might be white, like a milk or like a clouds. Maybe it's a cloudy in color, like that, right? I'm just curious. So they do they uniform? So if the color is like the cloudy, if it doesn't dissolve in water, so they are not uniform in color because it doesn't disappear. Alright? So this is based of my observation and I've already answered my hypothesis. So now let's proceed to the experiment. So I'm gonna add this 20 grams of sugar, it's not a sugar, 20 grams of baby powder into the water. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. What might be the result on it? I told you that the baby powder doesn't dissolve in water because based of my experience. So I'm gonna stir this for 30 seconds. Go for it, go, go, go. Wait, what happened? I told you if the prince looks like a crystalline. So it's the color of this, it's cloudy. Am I correct? It's cloudy. Oh, I'm scared if this baby powder will dissolve in water. It's look like dissolves in water. Look at this one. Oh, it's almost 30 seconds. It's look like dissolving in water. Oh my gosh. The color in it, it's a milk. Looks like a milk. It's look like a clouds. It's a cloudy color look. This one. This will be the result. I think it disappeared, but later we're gonna check on it after 30 minutes or 1 hour if it's constantly dissolved in water. So just leave on there. Okay, but this one the result of it after mixing on it. Look at this one. Look, look on it. Yeah, its color white, and I didn't see any baby powder in it. But let's see, because it's only a minute after mixing it. Let's see after 30 minutes or 1 hour what will happen after that. Okay, so I'm gonna leave you here. I cannot see if my hypothesis is correct. I'm gonna observe you first. Baby powder after 30 minutes or 1 hour. Okay, just leave on there.